Uh, Welcome back to our podcast, where we turn your adventure, with your wanderlust and adventure into real plans. Today, we're giving you the ultimate 3-day Portugal itinerary centered around Lisbon, one of Europe's most charming, affordable, and photo-worthy cities. From the airport to your first pastel de nata to iconic street like the famous Pink Street and Green Street, we've got you covered with food tips, hotels, secret spots, and even some fun trivia. This is your perfect weekend or long weekend trip, so grab your notepad or just sit back and dream. So, arrival in the first day. So, welcome to Lisbon. So, your journey begins at Humberto Delgado Airport in Lisbon, LIS, a major international hub just 15 minutes from the city center by taxi or Uber. A ride into town should cost around 12 to 20 USD, depending on the Uber and the taxi, or take the Metro's red line for about $2. So, for a luxe but affordable stay, we recommend LX Boutique Hotel right between Chiado and Caes do Sodre near Pink Street for 150 USD per night. My Story Hotel Rocio, modern with classic touches, central and walkable, 130 USD per night. Budget option, yes. Lisbon Hostel private rooms for around $60 USD. So, in the afternoon itinerary, start at Praca do Comércio, Lisbon's grand waterfront square. Walk the Rua Augusta Arch for sweeping views at $3 USD. Head to Alfama, the oldest neighborhood. Wander the alleys. Grab a Gingiha cherry liqueur shot for $1.50 USD. And enjoy sunset at Miradora da Senhora do Monte. At dinner and nightlife, dinner at Time Out Market, modern food court with Michelin level bites, budget 25 USD for a great meal. Stroll to Pink Street, famous for its Instagram-worthy paint job and vibrant nightlife. But you can take pictures this early in the morning for clear sign because it's gonna get busy and crowded at nighttime. So, secret tip, check out Pinsao Amor, an old brothel turned speakeasy style bar full of velvet couches and art. Day 2, history, art, and hidden gems. So, morning, Belém District, take tram 15 to Belém, around $3 USD. Visit Hieronymus Monastery, 12 USD, and Torre de Belém, 8 USD. Try a pastel de nata at Pastes de Belém, the OG bakery, for 2 USD. Walk along the Tagus River to the Padrao dos Descobrimentos Monument. Instagram tip, best shot, stand in front of the Monument of Discoveries with the river behind you. Sunrise glow is perfect. In afternoon, go to LX Factory. Take an Uber $6 USD to LX Factory, an industrial space store and creative hub full of cafes, murals, bookshops, and vintage stores. There we can buy souvenirs here as well in Alex Factory. Secret, go to Lier Devagar bookstore and find the flying bicycle. Oh. So, lunch at Rio Maravelha rooftop, beautiful views and quirky decor. Budget 20 to 30 USD. Evening, Green Street in Fado. So, Green Street, aka Rua Nova do Carvalho, gets lit with colorful umbrellas and outer performers. For dinner and culture, book a Fado dinner at Clube de Fado. Soulful music and Portuguese cuisine for about 45 to 50 USD. Try bacalhau or codfish, grilled sardines or caldo verde soup. In day 3, go to Centra day trip and departure. So early start Centra by train. Hop on the train from Rocio station to Centra, $5 to $6 round trip. Leaves every 20 minutes. Start, I think it's 8:10 in the morning, 8:10 a.m. So morning palaces and castles. So Palacio de Fania, whimsical palace with candy-colored towers and epic views Entry $16 USD. Walk to Moorish Castle, 9 USD. Older ruins with stunning trails. And then in the afternoon, you can go to Quinta da Rehaleria. Explore mysterious gardens, secret tunnels, in the iconic Initiation Well. Entry $12 USD. Secret photo spot. Stand in the spiral of the well looking up. Moody, mystical shot. Lunch in Centra. Try Tascantega, local flavors like pork cheeks, chorizo stew, and more. Expect 20 USD. Grab travesiero, pillow-shaped pastry, or periqueta, $3 USD. Then return and airport transfer to get back to Lisbon by 5 to 6 p.m. and go Uber or Metro to Lis Airport. Allow 2 hours for international flights. So, for souvenirs, photo ops in best time and budgets. So, souvenirs, cork products. Portugal is the world's top cork exporter. Wallets, bags, and shoes are stylish and eco-friendly, $10 to $15. Azulejos, or also known as tiles, traditional ceramic tiles. Buy a few vintage one, $8 to $5 each, or $5 to $10, or a tile pattern dish towel. Jinha in a chocolate cup. Fun, tasty, cheap souvenir, $2 to $4. Instagram prototypes. Elevador the Beca. Iconic yellow tram on a steep slope. Best around 10 a.m. for fewer crowds. Lisbon rooftops at sunset. Go to Park Bar on top of a parking garage for epic skyline shots. Best time to visit, April to June or September, October are ideal. Mild temperature, fewer crowds, and cheaper rates. Avoid August, it's hot and full of tourists. Here's your 3-day Lisbon budget in USD. Flight 600 round trip from US, average $16 to $1,000. Depends on the where you came from, the US, or the West Coast or East Coast. Hotel for 3 nights, 390 mid-range. Food and drinks, 150. Transport, metro, train, Uber, 35. Attraction in tours, $80. Souvenirs and shopping, $45. So total for one traveler, 1,300 USD. You could cut this to 900 with hostels and budget eats, or bump it to 1,800 for luxury stays and fine dining. So did you know Lisbon is older than Rome? So it's believed to have been founded by the Phoenicians over 3,000 years ago. And speaking of culture, Lisbon's cobblestone sidewalks, known as Calçada Portuguesa, are crafted by hand using small limestone pieces. Each design is a mini work of art. And here's a weird one. There's a small cafe in Alfama that claims to serve coffee brew with water from a 12th century underground cistern. Spooky and historic. So that's wraps up our whirlwind 3-day trip through Lisbon, full of castles, codfish, cork wallets, and camera-ready streets. Whether you're jetting off next weekend or just dreaming from your couch, we hope this gave you a taste of Portugal magic. Make sure to follow us for more epic itineraries, and yeah, please subscribe and leave us a message which area you want me to cover for the next podcast. So, of course, from the Green Street to the Central Well, we love to share them. So, until next time, shout!